quick look at trying to repair the winch on my truck. 2002 truck will be up for sale in a couple of weeks as I no longer require it. I want a slightly different one. I don't want a twin cab one. So today I'm going to see if I can get the little beast started. It's not been started for a week or two, so let's see how it goes. So I want to have a quick show you of the winch itself, mechanism at the back. Obviously this is my truck. Just thought I'd give you a quick tour of my truck. 2002. Obviously inside it's very tidy as well. Not done that many miles really, to be fair. 86,000 is that? 86,600. Just don't really use it that much. Got all the tinted windows, the extra seats in the back. Just very nice and tidy really. Obviously I'm going to take it in with me tomorrow and give it a good wash. Obviously that's the bed on the back. Ripleys Auto, this is the truck that I do all my breakdowns in, the mobile mechanic in. But obviously today is what I want to have a quick look at this winch. It's not working correctly, it's been neglected, so I've decided I'm going to overhaul it all and go through it step by step. Going to possibly, depending, I might unravel the cable and see how long it is and cut some off if I can, and then redo it, or I might just get a new winch cable. But I've also noticed these rollers are seized, so it's obviously making it really hard work. Them ones at the side end too, have this bottom one, top one. No good. It's also going to knacker the cable eventually, so I'm going to do an overhaul. And then I also, it's super winch, I might also try and design some sort of cover to cover it over and make sure I grease it all. But let me just set you up on the stand so we can have a proper look. So basically it's going to be vibrating slightly because I've got the engine running at the moment. Actually I'm just going to switch that off. That's better, it'll make it easier for us to do. So, the only thing I'm not 100% keen on this winch is that it's a cable one, but obviously this is the first recovery truck I've ever had, so we're learning. So I think on the next one I'll either get a different winch or one with a remote. So obviously that's your super winch. I do believe it's a good mate, to be fair. And obviously you have to plug that in this part here and here, and you see there's a little locator there, so that lines up with that there. And then obviously, so you've got this, that's your rollers, but like I say, that top one's working, the bottom one's not. I have, oh no, the bottom one is working. Oh, I think the bearings are collapsed though on that side. So that's why it's not really working. Yeah, you can't operate like that with it all collapsed. I mean, you might be able to get that roller separately, I don't know. I'm going to have a look at that anyway. If I can get a separate roller, I might keep all that and just replace that, just the roller. Because that one works alright, and that one does. And then obviously this is your locker, so to pull the cable out you need to twist it that way, so that releases the drum, so now I can manually pull it all out, which I shall do. All it says. that's it. Obviously you do not want to store your winch like this, because if you can see there, the big king, making it hard work. Good few kinks, but now that's better there. I don't know if that would be long enough. Because obviously you need it fairly long to obviously collect all your vehicles in. Obviously you can also see there's a little screw there, that's how you release your cable, I believe. We'll lock it back in. That's it. You can see this roller is just not spinning. Super careful when you're doing this, because you do not want to trap your finger in there. Can't quite get it to guide. I think if I just hold that way out there, when you're doing it, you want to pull against this roller slightly, and then that should keep it all reasonably tight. Also need to be careful when you're pulling this that you don't catch your finger. Hopefully there's no loose spline. There's a kink here, that's not very good. I'm thinking I'd like to cut it here and join it and redo it. What I am going to do is I'm going to try and search down for a new cable. I don't know if we could weight of a vehicle might help putting it on it, pull it out. you've got to keep it taut. So as soon as I let go, look, it's all loose in the foot. Excuse me, bad language then, guys. Yes, you've got to keep it tight. Yeah, I'll make that. You need to keep the tension on it, really, at all times. What I'm going to do is just going to pause you for a second, so I want to just go and get some spray, because I think a bit of spray will help on it.